inside the theater, di ba? Parang lahat tayo, iisa ang reaksyon, lahat parang we share the same experience all at the same time. And I think yun ang magic ng theater.
And makaka-relate and natutuwa talaga lahat. And what do you think like the highlight or favorite part of the play? Of course, the best part.
Well, syempre, bukod dun sa mga given scenes na feeling ko lahat naman tayo agree na yun ang highlight talaga. Pero for me personally, yung what can I say? Basta yung unang-unang scene nila. The one when they were drinking.
Opening scene.
Ay, pwede bang sabihin yun? Okay. Yung dinner scene. Kasi doon na eh. I think the magic or the outcome of anything, may it be a movie, a TV show, or a play, yung brilliance nun, lahat nangyayari sa collaboration, sa yung brainstorming of everything, and the witness natin siya. So I think that's the magic of it. Parang dinala nila tayo sa parang kung paano nila create yung masterpiece. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes, actually, I think ito yung klase ng play na hindi mo kailangan imbitahan yung mga tao kasi katulad natin lahat na nandito ngayon, isa tayo pumunta para ma-experience on ourselves. So, please guys, get your tickets now kasi ubusan eh. Diba? Ubusan ng tickets. So, bilisan nyo na, kunin nyo na yung tickets nyo. It's really worth your while. And again, it's a masterpiece from everyone, and especially from my idols. Thank you. Ano po sa Sige ko Barbie answers. Hindi pa lang That's right. Well, sobrang isa sa mga pangarap ko yan na makapagtapos sa entablado ng teatro. Sana magkaroon ako ng enough lakas na gusto ko do it. Actually, hindi ko alam, pero if something really good falls into my lap, then I'm gonna go do it.
And yung mga pangalan nila, mga viewers.
Yes, I have a movie coming up, and of course, Honor Thy Mother, so sana po abangan at supportahan.
Thank you so much. Ay, ikaw,
Kamusta niyo po? Direk, teka lang po. Direk, maraming salamat for inviting me. Sobra. Ay, salamat po. Sobra, my God. Hindi ako nag-prepare, hindi ako nag-ready. Para talagang lahat ng reaction ko talagang nandun. Pero I expected nothing else. Diba? I mean, it's you and it's Madam. Oh my God. Of course. Yes! Thank you, Direk. Thank you po. Thank you po. So I will definitely watch this again. Kasi para sa akin, hindi lang siya natatapos sa gabi ito. Parang everything I saw, everything I was able to do, binipitin ko siya. And kasi masterclass siya from the scene. Acting masterclass siya talaga eh. Hindi ko alam kung masusport ko, pero ang dami niyang ginawa dito na acting approach na pwedeng i-translate din sa film and TV na pwede din mag-suhet. So, mas yun, talagang nag-aaral lang talaga ako buong show. Pinag-aralan ko lang si Miss Eugene and in terms of story and the playwright, wala akong masabi. Again, I am here because my very brilliant director turned good friend, Derek Chris Martinez, invited me to be here tonight and I'm so grateful for that. Sobrang galing kasi they were able to tackle a lot of social issues pero in a very witty and funny way. So it's the kind of humor na it's smart enough you're gonna have to take it seriously. Diba? Yung humor nila, ang talino. And ang galing kasi napagsama-sama nila ang lahat ng magagaling sa industriya ng teatro para sa napaka spectacular na show na ito. And it's something that doesn't need any introduction. Sabi nga ni Direk Andoy, di ba? He doesn't need an introduction. Siya na yan eh. Siya na talaga yan. And I'm so happy to also see him. Ang tagal ko na siyang hindi nakita. Siya ang director ko sa Stairway to Heaven sa first time sa Pilyang Kerubin. So I'm so happy to see him again. More of him actually tonight. Parang too much of him. I saw too much of him tonight. Pero ang galing, sobra. Wala akong ibang masabi. Hindi siya, hindi ako nagiging OA, pero napakagaling nila.
From 1 to 10 po, paano niyo po i-rate yung acting po nila Eugene Bernal?
Sorry, 1 to 10.
From 1 to 10, paano niyo po i-rate yung acting nila Miss
I don't think I have the right to do that actually. I think we all experience the same kind of masterclass that they have shown in this play. And para sa akin, kayong mga nanonood nito, you have to see it for yourself para maintindihan nyo ko na walang rating na makakapag-justify ng ginawa.
And lastly, can you invite everyone to watch Ang Babae sa Septic Tanks?
Yes, of course. Hi everyone, I'm Barbie Corteza. I just witnessed and experienced Ang Babae sa Septic Tank 4. Oh shit! Live na sa Chatter! Kaya sana grab your tickets now kasi ubusan na po. So baka magsisi pa kayo at hindi nyo binili. Bilhin nyo na dahil nagkakaubusan na po. Thank you!
Dito sa ako na lang.
Thank you! After that, ticket? Mga ba? Oh, wow! Thank you so much! Thank you! Of course. Sorry, Thank you so much!
Thank you po.
Kasi, kahit kaya siya, nag-usapan nila. Nakikinig ako, nagaling sa industry na television. Napakataas kasi, kahit art ko, so ang galing kasi lang noon and they were able to muna picture ng story. Sobrang katulong, sobrang nakakatawa. We expect less from this team, from Etta, from this cast, especially pero kahit sobrang kasi talaga and it was a reminder talaga of the magic of life. Yes, kaya sana po masandal.